Another police station with no telephone service, and residents and business operators are livid. This time, it's the Brownstown station in St. Ann.
It's approximately 6 weeks, and that's a very long time.
A very long time to be unable to contact the local police. But that's the situation in Brownstown, St. Ann, that now has business operators upset with the authorities. Two businessmen, Anthony Charlie and Alaric Denton, say crime in the area has increased over the past month as criminals are aware that there is no direct contact to the police station.
One time we used to call the police station, you get through, oh, they don't have a vehicle. Now we have vehicles. You can't get through to the police station. Something is wrong.
I'm very much upset. I can't believe it. Because, believe me, this one right here, so, it's swell up right now. See, there is a strap. May I just take out this strap off of it, right? And it's criminal. It's criminal cause this. It's shot man shot after me cause this. You understand what I'm saying? So when I'm talking about, and the police, them respond so quick at the time, that saved my life.
He says if a serious situation develops now, lives will be lost. But in addition to the business community, residents are also on edge because of the situation.
Brownstown station serves over 40 districts in and around Brownstown. And if anything should happen right here now, presently right at the town here, you can't call a police to get, or you don't have them mobile number. You can't call a police down by the station and get a first responder. That don't make no sense.
You're probably looking at about 45, 50,000 people that are depending on the police for protection and safety. And when you're in trouble or you know of trouble, you can't make a call because the phone, all you get in is voicemail. You can't get through.
When we contacted Flo, a representative told us that they have investigated the issue at the Brownstown police station and that the service issue is due to a defective instrument at the station that the JCF needs to replace. Earlier this week, Flo attributed telephone and internet disruptions at the Belfield police station in St. Mary to theft and vandalism of the company's lines and equipment. Flo said a time frame for restoring service there could not be given, as replacing stolen equipment cost the company millions of US dollars annually.